This is Arden, lot 12, 9198 Farber Forge Court. Plumbing and gas inspection for concealment. Plumbing test has been coming on about 6 hours now. As you can see, it's holding steady at 107 PSI, 110 PSI. Mid-story strapping is installed. Our caps on throughout. Stepping here into the kitchen. Our caps on. Over here to our gas test. Gas valve is open, has been opened. We can see we have pressure here. Lead it down a little bit. Shut it off. Drop the gauge. Zero it out. And right back. Good holding pressure there. Stepping into the master. Again, test is on. Those vanities. Pan is full. No issues there. Freestanding tub is capped off. Moving across this wide house. Freestanding shower here in the back. Again, drain is off. Caps are on. For the vanity, cap is on supply line for plumbing. And here's your shower head. Cap is on as well. Tub, same thing. Holding water, caps here. And step into the front of the home for our last freestanding shower on the main level. All pipes are capped. Mid-story strapping obviously installed. And everything is capped. That's our main level. We have basement, including powder room, and a full shower. Here in the basement level, this is a hung sewer lot, so obviously our water caps are all on for our supply lines as well. Our storage area, here's our hung sewer drain, and tongue is on. So there's a storage area. Again, got all of our caps on all of these lines here. Again, this is below grade in a hung sewer situation. Same thing, supply lines are all capped. And same thing here. Everything is shut off and capped for the drain. That's it.